To paint. To sing. To dance. To swim. To build. To work. Work in an office. Work at home. Work on a farm. Work at school. Jobs. Drive. Driver. Teach. Teacher. Dance. Dancer. Paint. Painter. Sing. Singer. Build. Builder. Work. Worker. Swim. Swimmer. Cook. What's your job? What's your job? I'm a builder. I can build houses. What's her job? She's a dancer. She can dance. What's her job? She's a singer. She can sing. What's his job? He's a painter. He can paint pictures. What's their job? They are office workers. They can work in an office. What's your job? We are swimmers. We can swim. What can you do? What can a writer do? A writer can write books. What can a farm worker do? A farm worker can work on a farm. What can a cook do? A cook can cook. What can a bus driver do? A bus driver can drive a bus. What can a school teacher do? A school teacher can teach children. What's his job? He's a builder. What can he do? He can build houses. What's their job? They are painters. What can they do? They can paint pictures.